4 steps to effective paper bag machine maintenance. Step 1. Safety first. Only one operator should inspect the machine with the remote controller. Always disconnect the power before maintenance. Never reach into the machine while it is running. In an emergency, press the emergency stop button immediately. Step 2. Preventive maintenance. Keep essential spare parts available and inspect them regularly. The automatic lubrication system operates every 120 hours. Lubricate chains weekly and cams every 2 days. Step 3. Keep it clean. After shutdown, remove paper dust and debris with compressed air. Clean the feeding section, forming section, gluing system, and heat sealing area thoroughly. Step 4. Record every maintenance. Maintain a service log, recording maintenance time, work performed, and any issues found for future tracking. Ruizhi Machinery, committed to supporting your success.